tell you, I know agents that have been in this business as long as I have, and they struggle. And what's the reason they struggle? Is they never maintained their database. That's the problem. So what we need to do is we just need to put them into a simple Excel spreadsheet, okay? It doesn't have to be, don't worry about your CRM right now. Don't worry about if it's the right one. If you put them into a simple Excel spreadsheet, first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, email, phone number 1, phone number 2, very simple. Okay? And then the next thing you want to do is organize it by A, B, and C. Now, here's how I want you to think about A, B, and C.
Yep.
Your A's, okay, are the people like if you got a flat tire traveling around the country, okay, these are your people that are your raving fans. They love you. They're going to come get you. So this is a small group. This is 5 to 10 people. This isn't, I mean, it could get upwards of maybe 20, but it's a small, tight-knit group of people, okay?
Yep.
Then you've got the know and like you. Know and like you are traditionally people who have spent time with you either through a transaction or maybe you were in school with them, right? You went, maybe you were in the sorority with them or the fraternity. So you have some time with them. Maybe you grew up with them. That's kind of know and like, okay? And then just know you, okay? So know you is a group of people that, again, they know your name.